I was inscribed in Makati earlier today, and actually, I truly got home, and I can't wait to open this. But I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Anyway, so the thing is, I didn't think that they would have this, so I just messaged because it wasn't anymore on the website because it is an older model pen. I can't remember when this was released, but yeah, I think I've talked about this in a previous video, so you kind of figured out that this was gonna happen anyway. I got the. This is the Japanese sweets. I don't know if it's really Japanese. I don't know if that's a typo or that's like them being cute, but it's a Japanese sweets series. It's the SakuraMochi. I know it has a gold nib, so we will see how much I really like this pen for me to still use it even if it's gold. So I got this in medium fine. Yeah, I got this in medium fine, and obviously I'm gonna have to have some work done on the nib, and let's just open it together. I really wasn't planning on getting another pen, to be honest, but since I was already on a high from the recent purchase of the chestnut, I kind of just wanted to complete the entire set. Well, not the entire set, but like the whole green thing. Let's do this. I don't think I've bought like this much pens in a while. I didn't know that it came in a pretty box like this. Most of the time, the boxes of the Sailor pens aren't those blue ones. I've never had one like this, so let's see. Oh, it really does look like sweets. Oh, I didn't even know it came with ink too. So it does come with ink. So this is the Sailor SakuraMochi, and it comes with its own converter as usual. I think almost all, well, if not all, I think almost all Sailor pens come with their own converters. Put that there. I've really liked green for quite some time now, and getting this is, well, I don't know, but just seeing it now, it's pretty. And it is. And it kind of has a sparkly body too. Yes, it has a gold nib. I can't do anything about that. But it is really pretty. I I think I might actually use this even if it's a gold nib, and I really wouldn't care because it really is nice. Ah, yeah, it does have kind of sparkly body. Not sure if you can see it. I not there. Can you see the sparkly things? I'm gonna have to have this sent out to have the nib done, but it's pretty. Hang on, let me get the chestnut so you can see the difference, because one person said that wouldn't it be very similar to the chestnut that I just bought, but give me a moment. This is the Sailor Manu chestnut, and this is the SakuraMochi. Kind of different, and they're both pretty. I keep saying pretty. They're both really, I don't know, I do not regret anything, and I cannot wait to have this done. And yeah, I think that's that for my quick unboxing. Oh, I forgot to show the ink. I'm so sorry. Hang on. Also, it comes with an ink. Well, at least this ink looks promising because it's another green ink. Let's see. Oh, that is nice. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see it through the cap? There you go. So it's a nice dark green ink. I might actually switch inks again, but Doesn't say what color this is though. Have to check it out. So this is the set that the SakuraMochi comes in with, and I can't wait to have this done in extra fine. Well, extra fine, and start using it. I really like it. I'm glad that I asked if they still had one, and apparently this was the last one. It's the last stock that they had, and I do not regret things in life, and I can't wait to use this because it is really nice. Anyway, so that's it for my quick unboxing, because I really am not gonna be able to use this with something like this thick of a nib. I think my green addiction is very much fed. Maybe I don't know what to say, but I don't know what to call it either. But anyway, that's it for my quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time or in the next video. Bye.